Welcome. Today I'm going to teach you the peaceful breath technique. Now, I like this technique because it starts to introduce mudras or hand gestures. And mudras are just one other way that we can help our brain learn to bring its focus out of the past and the future and into the here and now. So, for this exercise, first we're going to practice on our hands. All we're going to do is take each finger and tap it to our thumb, starting with your index finger. So you're going to tap, then middle, then your ring finger, and then your pinky finger, right? And then you're going to start back at the beginning. Index, middle, ring, pinky. Index, middle, ring, pinky. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you're going to bring your hands down onto your thighs, whether you're seated on the floor like I am, on a mat, on a chair. Wherever you are, you're just going to sit up nice and tall. And once again, we're going to continue that same pattern with our fingers. So you can go ahead and start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. And so now, if it's comfortable, you can go ahead and close your eyes. Take some nice deep breaths in through your nose, out through your nose. Now we're going to inhale in for 4, right? Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go ahead and try that. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay, great. Now, instead of using the 4 count, we're going to inhale the phrase, I am at peace. I am at peace. I am at peace. Inhale. I am at peace. Exhale. I am at peace. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Beautiful. Now you can use that exercise for 2 to 5 minutes, ideally a little longer, but anything that you can, that's where we start. So there's a saying in yoga, the best yoga is the one that you're going to do. And that's true here as well. This is a really nice, gentle, calming breath exercise, and one that begins to show you how to do many different things at the same time to try to hold your attention in the here and now. In this exercise, we bring in the mudras, the counting, the breathing, and then finally, we bring in our mantra. You can go ahead and slow the tempo down or speed it up if you want to. You can also use a mantra that works best for you. Thank you so much. Be well. Stay safe.